Chapter 7.1 List in Pygame 0. 2. How to access list item using negative index number.
How can I access the index number from the last of the list?
You can access the item in the list using negative indexing as well. The index number of -1 refers to the last item. The index number of -2 to the second last item. Let's write the code.
What does this code mean?
This code draws the text and the identified item, setting the position, color, and font size. Let's run this code. The text for the last and second last item in the list, the mango and the kiwi, are drawn.